Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile and how they're offering you basically a free month of data on a tablet plan. Of course, there's going to be some restrictions and of course some requirements to this, but let's get into it. So it says, get a month of tablet data free. So here's a couple of things here. Add 2 months of tablet service to your existing Metro account and get a third month free on our affordable $15 a month unlimited data plan. So right off the bat, guys, to get your free month, you have to pay for 2 months of service. After that, you will be able to get that third one for free. So you have to pay 2 months ahead, and then that third month will be free. That's the main stuff. Of course, you could also get the free tablet deal with this. So let's actually go onto their website and check it out. All right, guys. So as you can see, once you go to plans, and then you go to data, device data plans, it'll take you right here. So what it's talking about is you have to add 2 months. So for a tablet, which is pretty cool and really cheap, $15 a month gets you unlimited high-speed data. Of course, there's a little asterisk there, a little star. We'll take a look at that. 480p streaming, or for $30 a month, it's unlimited high-speed data, but it gives you HD streaming. For this is a tablet. Remember, we're talking about a tablet. So what they're saying is if you pay $30 a month, because 2 months, 15 is 30, you get that third month free, which is good promotion right now for a tablet. Now, if you need, HD streaming, then it's the $30 plan, but you know what I mean. So let's see what these little stars or asterisks. It says, during congestion, heavy data users that use 35 gigs of data per month for most plans, and customers choosing lower priority plans may notice reduced speeds. And Metro customers may notice lower speeds versus T-Mobile due to data prioritization, unlimited on handsets and network only. Requires capable device holds separately. So basically it's saying, for heavy data users that if you use more than 35 gigs, which on tablet, you're probably going to use more than that, honestly. If you use more than 35 gigs, yeah, your speeds may be slowed down due to Jesus, a priority and you being less prioritized. You know what I mean? So you may see reduced speeds at times of congestion, and it's just going to be slow after 35 gigs. It's not going to be all the time, but it's definitely, if you're in a busy area, your speeds may be slower than if you didn't use more than 35 gigs. But overall, guys, I think for a tablet plan, it is really good. Here's some of the devices. This is, of course, Alcatel Joy Tab 2, which I believe you can get for free with our promo. So let's go ahead and click see more details on this one. So yep, here's the Alcatel Joy Tab 2, iOS 10, which is a little bit older now. So of course, they're not going to give you a fancy dancy, tablet, 8-inch HD screen, a 4,000 milliamp battery. So actually it's $120 for this tablet, but you can get it for $30 when you switch, plus taxes and fees. So not bad, but I believe they do have an offer where you could get one for free, if I'm not mistaken. I must say Metro's website is definitely a little bit slower, but let's go ahead and see. I believe you can get this for free. So there we go. Now that we're on the main website, it says gift a free tablet. Celebrate any special person in your life with a Joy Tab 2 for free. Be a rebate after 3 months or third month payment when you add unlimited high-speed data plan of 15. So it's not too bad. So basically you're going to have to get this tablet. You have to pay for it. And then after 3 months, you'll get reimbursed, what you paid for it after 3 months of payments, which is not bad. And you can combine this with, of course, the plan, the promotion we're just talking about, where you pay 2 months, you get the third one for free. So it's pretty cool, should I say. But let me know in the comments below what you think. Remember, video streams in SD quality, and if at times of congestion, your speeds may be reduced, but overall, not bad. You can get a free tablet, and you can also get the third month free if you prepay 2 months ahead. So not bad at all. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. A lot more videos coming your way. Sorry, I've been super busy lately with work and stuff, but more videos coming your way, and I'm finally going to get some phones in to review. Just been kind of a slow month right now, but with technology, but I've definitely been busy with work and other stuff. So more to come your way, guys. Thank you.